Could you see yourself growing old with me, watching my hair turn to gray? Could you live with me in my mistakes and the ones I have yet to make? So when our eyes have seen their better days and our hearing starts to fade, push your arms around my neck and your heart on my chest. I love you will still sound the same. I love you will still sound the same.
To my love.
Taray naman ni Paul, parang ano matindi ka palit nito mamaya. Ay, charot lang.
I love you will still sound the same. I love you will still sound the same. I can see our dreams inside the shower, long after us fade away. When our rain starts to rust, when our skin starts to age, remember the promise we made. So when our eyes have seen their better days and our hearing starts to fade, push your arms round my neck and your heart on my chest. I love you will still sound the same. I love you will still sound the same. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah.
I'm sorry for the times that I doubted you. Sorry for the times that I chose me over you. Ilang beses man nangyari, pero ikaw andyan pa rin. Sigurado ka sa akin kahit alam mo nun na ako hindi. Kaya ngayon, I just want to give what you deserve. Sa lahat ng sacrifices mo sa akin and sa family mo, you deserve this. Hindi na ako magdadalawang isip sa atin or sa'yo. Lagi kang andyan para sa akin, kaya makakaasa ka na lagi rin akong nandito para sa'yo.
Almost 12 years, 11 anniversaries, 4,326 days since. Grabe, sobrang nakaka-proud lang tayong dalawa. Ayan. Loves, thank you for everything. Thank you for staying. Thank you for waiting. And thank you for choosing me. Thank you for choosing us.
You're mine, always you're mine, forever you're mine, reality. You're mine, sunshine, you're mine, best times you're mine.
Loves, for sure, dami ko na utang from previous special moments or days na dapat ma-celebrate or mabigyan ka ng gift. Kaya eto sana makabawi kahit papano. I love you. See you, Paul.
In 100 lifetimes I'll choose you. In 100 worlds I'll find you. I'd say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do. And I will, when the sky is falling, I promise you I'm all in.
Naalala ko nun sa letter mo, sa unang bati mo sa first month na rin natin. Sabi mo, sana tayo na hanggang dulo. At ngayon, nandito na tayo, loves. Thank you for staying true to your promise. Thank you for staying through the test of time. And now I am standing beside you with a grateful heart. From this day, I promise to love you even more kahit sa mga araw na hindi ka perfecto. At sa mga araw na hindi ka kamahal-mahal, I promise to love you the most.
This is where it starts. give you my whole heart for my whole life. I'll give you my whole heart for my whole life.
Sure na ako sa'yo. At sa atin, gaya nga ng kung paano ka sigurado sa akin. I want to thank God for your life, for today, and for making this to happen.
Yay! Hi! Salamat kasi hindi naman kayo nagkulang sa pagmamahal tsaka pag-aalaga. Huwag kayong mag-worry kasi hindi naman ako mawawala. Actually, madadagdagan pa kayo ng isang anak. Hindi naman namin kayo papabayaan ni Paul. Mahal ko kayo parehas. Sobra. I am so sad and longing for my family always. Kasi nga, ang layo-layo nila. Literal na isang probinsyana na tumungtong ng Maynila, mag-isa. Always praying to the Lord na sana may taong dumating para makasama ko. Maging partner sa lahat ng bagay. Kasi nga, syempre, ang lungkot. Pero siguro nga, sobrang lakas lang talaga manalangin nila mama at papa. Kaya ikaw yung binigay ng Diyos sa akin. And I'm so thankful na binigay ka niya. Just right in the time when I needed you the most.
My love will not change. My love will not change. Through the years it grows, but time will hold the weight. My love will not change. My love will not change.
At ngayong araw na to, dito sa tabi mo, hawak ko yung mga kamay mo. Sasabihin ko sa'yo ngayon na, Paul, kahit anong mangyari, kasama mo ako. Kahit anong mangyari, kakampi mo ako. Kahit anong mangyari, mananatili ako. At kahit anong mangyari, ikaw ang mahal ko.
It's just steady grow. In the rise and fall, and through it all, my love will not change.
Di ako perfect na partner for you, pero makakaasa ka na gagawin ko lahat para sa'yo gaya ng ginagawa mo para sa akin. Wabab ng buhay ko, I love you.
Through the years it grows.